Welcome back for another training session today. I'm sorry if I sound a little sleepy today because I didn't really sleep well last night, but the grind never stops in it. I'm just kidding. Please prioritize your sleep. It's really important if you're into calisthenics or any form of training that you sleep well because it really helps your body recover. Anyways, today I came to my local Cali park for a weighted sesh, but it's not really all weighted as I will do some skill work for the first 30 minutes of the sesh. So yeah, enjoy.